I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm...
Hello, dear students. How are you today? I hope that you are enjoying your days and you are having a good time. So, let's start with our activities of this day.
First, we are gonna check the new keywords of this day. So you have to repeat after me and pay attention to the meanings. The first word is brought. Brought is the past form of bring. That means carry. Example, the dog brought the newspaper. Caught. Caught is the past form of catch. That means grass moving object. Example, he caught the ball. Lyrics. Lyrics means words of a song. Example, I love that song, but I don't understand the lyrics. The first activity is to open your Uno ebook on pages 89 and 90. In the first exercise, you have to circle the correct word to complete each sentence. Example, when you get to the street corner, turn right. So, you have to circle letter A. In exercise number 2, you have to listen the track silent letters. Then you have to choose the correct word from the box and write it on the line provided to complete the lyrics. In exercise number 3, you have to add a tick for items you completed. In exercise number 4, you have to write the things that you like and dislike to do, and the activities that you did in your free time. Example, I liked to ride a bike last year. I didn't like to eat broccoli last year. The second activity is to write 5 sentences using the following verbs: get, sweep, love, dance, and climb in your notebooks. The last activity is to play Kahoot. So let's play it.
That's all for today. See you tomorrow and have a good day.
I never